Hello, Fatima. I'm Mayalin, and I will be one of the nurses who will help you in your surgery.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Same to you. I need to, I need to ask some question from pre-surgery check.
Okay,
We are going to operate on your right knee using arthroscopy, correct?
yes, don't make a mistake.
Don't worry, we always check. We will merge the leg.
Okay,
Do you have any allergy?
I only have allergies to pollen and gluten.
Have you eaten or drunk anything today?
Nothing since 11 in the evening yesterday.
Do you have a dental prosthesis?
No,
Do you feel cold here?
a little.
Would you like an electrical blanket?
No, I'm good.
Are you afraid?
A little bit.
Don't worry, you are in good hands, mine. We have to place an IV. As soon as you meet the surgeon and anesthesiology, we will take you to surgery.
Okay, I'm in
Yes.
your hands.
Okay, let's go.